loves, welcome back to my channel. So today your girl is going to review this gorgeous hair right here, courtesy of Samsbeauty. And so if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay love, so before I jump into all the deets of this hair, first I wanted to just check in with you guys, see how you guys are doing, how you feeling. This video should come out the day after Veterans Day. So I know for some people they might have gotten Veterans Day off and was able to rest, relax, have a good time. However, your girl was actually working, and so I feel blessed and honored to be able to be working with our most vulnerable population, which is homeless people, and some of them just so happen to be veterans. And so how I spent my Veterans Day is actually serving hundreds of homeless people. So yeah, that's just how I spent my Veterans Day. And so if you guys have been just kind of following your girl, you know I have not been very active with the exception of posting a video here and there. My engagement is pretty low, and so if you guys could just help me get that engagement up. Your girl is just super busy, you know, and it's not that I'm just not trying to talk to y'all, it's just that I do service the people that I just told you, and that is honestly my career, and it has taken up a lot of time. But I definitely do still find time to incorporate hair reviews, well, just hair reviews, because I don't have much time for anything else. This hair review actually is long overdue, y'all. I got this hair probably back in like the summer. I know it was definitely in the summertime, and the reason why it took so long was because it came as bundles, and which meant I had to make the unit, and that was basically not happening. And so I finally forced myself to get it done. I'm finally on top of my caseload, and so yes, your girl was able to pull through with this sexy little thing right here. Okay, so yeah, I just really thank you guys for your patience, for your loyalty, for some real ones that y'all like, comment, y'all subscribe. For those that are in my Instagram stories that follow me on there, because in my Instagram stories you get a bird's eye view of my day-to-day life. And so like I've adopted the saying, case manager by day, influencer 24/7. So yeah, your girl has definitely been blessed to still have a lot more wig reviews to bring you guys and more hair on the way. So yeah, I have so much work to do, but I love my career, I love the job, I love this job, I love just being on YouTube. But your girl's gonna have to figure out how to incorporate some self-care, because girl done gained a couple of pounds, but you know, thankfully makeup will snatch you right back together. Okay, but onto this hair. So like I already told you guys, this hair is courtesy of Samsbeauty. They were kind enough to send your girl a couple of different units as well as bundle hair. And so this is the Starlet 100% virgin human hair, unprocessed. It is Brazilian hair, and it came in loose wave, and it comes with 3 bundles and a 4x4 closure. And so I have it in the inches, 18, 20, and 22 inches with a 14-inch closure. And so it retails for $152.99. And so can I just tell y'all that this hair, it has some staying power, okay? Because I've literally done everything to this hair, and by everything I mean this hair has rolled around in my purse, it's rolled around in my car, it's the closure y'all rolled around for at least a month or two, because 2 months ago I put the closure on the dome cap, and then I just was never able to go back to it and put the bundles on there. But I kept taking the head with me everywhere I went. So like my son's football games, my daughter's basketball games, like y'all, I was serious about trying to get this unit done, but I couldn't get it done. And then as you guys know, I got other units, and a unit that I didn't have to make was just easier to pop on my head and review. So yeah, I'm just glad that I finally got this unit done. But like this hair, y'all, do y'all see this? This hair is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and can I just point out that you guys are going to see this, I'm not sure if I showed it to you guys before or after this, but this is just the hair with some water and some mousse on it. That's it. I did not have to curl this hair. That is the beauty of getting loose wave hair. So I'm not experiencing any tangles. My hand can run through it just fine. But like, can we talk about this parting space? Like, do you see this? Do you see this closure? Like, do you see how it melts in my head, my scalp, or whatever? Like, it looks like it's mine. So I did go ahead and show you guys how I customized this unit to my liking. It didn't come pre-plucked. I just chose to, you know, just pluck it a little bit in the closure just so it can have a more natural look. And then I did decide to cut some baby hairs, and I only cut baby hairs right here in the middle and then right here on the side. So I didn't do very much baby hairs at all. So yeah, that was pretty much everything that I did to this unit. I decided to show it to you guys in its natural pattern, so therefore I didn't even want to straighten it or anything, because as you guys know, I'm super busy, so I need hair where I could just get up and go, and I don't have time to just be straightening my hair every morning. So yes, this is the hair I'm going to be rocking for pretty much the next couple of weeks, because I filmed 3 videos today. So 3 videos, this is one of them, so I got videos for at least another week or 2. And so yeah, I'm gonna rock this hair, and I just think that it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the luster of it. It's inexpensive. So yeah, if you guys like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Just tell me how you guys are doing in general, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.